nothing to tell you. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. You stole my credit card and tell us something for $4,000. What did you...
Nothing, Waluigi. It's just a stupid mistake. There's no way you could be charged that much money. I didn't buy anything. Don't even worry about it.
Oh, yes, you did. I know you did. What? What? What is this? A ball? Shake it. Why did you buy 4,000 copies of the Golden Guppies? What? You're not going to be getting money